Okay, we have Anil Joseph here, so he is giving us his take on this issue.
I feel what AOCC is saying with respect to canon law,
Yeah,
saying very clearly that 75 is the age when priests should step down from administrative responsibilities. I think they are absolutely correct. This is a basilica. It entails a lot of effort to maintain and to meet the high standards that the laity expects. After Bishop Longinus' death, even as per the canon law, a bishop is supposed to look after the affairs of this basilica and the bishop is supposed to stay here. What they are asking for is exactly that, and there is absolutely no wrong in what they are asking for. They are asking, one, that a bishop should come and stay over here. Two, that the priest who has served, admittedly, he may have served in the past for so many years, but now, because of his age, probably there are a lot of mistakes happening. So they want that it should be gracefully requested that a new person should be take charge of it and responsibility should be given. In the past also, we have said that this sole trustee system, whereby one priest who is deputed to a parish is in charge of the entire church's properties, is a very dangerous trend. It should change. It should become multiple trustees, meaning whichever fathers are posted in that parish, all should be made joint trustees. Let us say that one priest is going the wrong direction or one priest is making a mistake. If there are 4 priests and if there is joint trusteeship, then what happens is that there is a check and balance. All 4, all 5 can't go wrong. You see, so that is good for the community. At the last instance, when they had gone to the Archbishop's house, I too had mentioned and said that this is the important issue that I find where they are completely justified. So this demand is a good demand. They are not doing anything. They are sitting here very peacefully, and it is what they are doing is, I think, in the interest of the lay people. Because with age, there must be some grace also that is attached to it. And I think the clergy must understand that this basilica needs a better administration, a better management, and which has to be done. Change is always good. Our Pope is all for change. He is not sticking to the routine custom and sitting to sticking to only one